All right, so I did a stitch of the week last week, and when I was editing and put the background music in, I neglected to adjust the background music, and it was louder than my voice. And one of my subscribers pointed out to me that they could barely hear my voice. So I am refilming. Unfortunately, I wasn't able to go back and edit that out, so I am refilming last week's Stitch of the Week, which is this beautiful shell stitch. So we're going to go ahead and get started with this really pretty lavender color yarn. This is Premier Basics, and I believe it's the color Iris. All right, so we're going to start off with a slip knot, and the shell pattern requires a multiple of 6 stitches plus 2. So 6 times 3 is 18 plus 2 is 20, so I am going to chain 20. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, and 20. Okay, so there's my chain of 20. Now what we're going to do is we're going to skip the first 2 stitches from the hook. We don't count this loop that's on the hook, so 1, 2, and in this third one we're going to place a single crochet. Then we're going to skip 2 chains, and in this third one we are going to place 5 double crochets. So yarn over, insert your hook into that chain, yarn over and pull up a loop, yarn over, pull through 2 loops, yarn over, pull through 2 loops for a double crochet, and then 4 more double crochets just like that in the very same chain stitch. Okay, so that is 5 double crochets, and that is our first shell. Now we are going to skip 2 chains and single crochet in that next chain. Skip 2 chains, and in this next one we're going to place 5 double crochets again in that same stitch. And 5. Skip 2 chains in the next one, single crochet, skip 2 chains, and crochet a 5 double crochet shell in this chain stitch. That's 2, 3, 4, and 5. And then in this last chain we are going to single crochet. So there's our first row of shell stitches. Now what we're going to do is we are going to chain 3. We're going to turn our work, and in this very first stitch we're going to double crochet 2. So that's 1 and 2. Then we're going to skip 2 stitches, and we're going to single crochet in this third stitch, which is center of this shell. Then we're going to skip 2 stitches, and in this single crochet from the previous row we are going to crochet 5 double crochets in that stitch. So we're crocheting a 5 double crochet shell. This is 4 and 5. Then you're going to skip 2 stitches and single crochet in the next stitch. Skip 2 stitches and 5 double crochets in the next stitch. This is 4 and 5. Skip 2 stitches and single crochet in the next stitch. Skip 2 stitches, and in this last stitch we are going to crochet 3 double crochets. 1, 2, and 3. Now we're going to chain 1 and we're going to turn our work. We are going to single crochet in this very first stitch. We are going to skip 2, and then we are going to 5 double crochet in the next stitch. That's 3, 4, and 5. Skip 2, single crochet in the next stitch. Skip 2, 5 double crochet in the next stitch. It's 4 and 5. Skip 2 stitches and single crochet in the next stitch. Skip 2 stitches and 5 double crochet in the next stitch. It's 4 and 5. Now we're going to skip 2 stitches, and in the top of this chain 3 we are going to place a single crochet, and we're going to chain 3. We're going to turn our work, and again in this very first stitch we are going to crochet 2 double crochets. Skip 2 stitches and single crochet. Skip 2 stitches and crochet a 5 double crochet shell in this same stitch. So there's 4 and 5. Skip 2 stitches and single crochet in the next. Skip 2 stitches and a 5 double crochet shell in the next stitch, all in the same stitch. And this is 4 and 5. Skip 2 stitches, single crochet in the next. Skip 2 stitches, and in this last stitch we are going to crochet 3 double crochets. And then you would chain 1 and you would turn your work and you would repeat. So this next row would be placing a single crochet in this first stitch, and you'd skip 2 and place a 5 double crochet shell in the next. Skip 2, single crochet in the next. So as you can see, these shell stitches are staggering. You're always going to place your 5 double crochet shell in the single crochet from the previous row, and your single crochet would go into the stitch on top of the shell. And every other row you are going to begin with a single crochet and end with a single crochet. The next row would be a chain 3 with 2 double crochets in the first stitch, ending with 3 double crochets in the last stitch. And that is the beautiful shell stitch pattern. Comment below, let me know what you think of this stitch. I apologize again for the last video of the music being too loud over my voice, and until next time, bye.